Okay, new for 2022, if you look inside your M4 base and you find this style connector, we are offering free upgrades to replace these. These are not reliable. We made a mistake in putting them in a couple years ago, and they're okay for solid stranded wire, but if you happen to see these snap lock connectors connecting your wire bundles, we are completely happy to send you the wire upgrade kit so that your reliability can be up to the current standard. In the kit comes with new battery spring plates, and there's a separate video showing how to install this. Ferrules for the wire bundles, and the donut wires for the batteries, and then these ferrules with the wire bundles go in once they've been crimped, and then you tighten down that screw.